That's what I'm talking about, Jack. Okay, so for you pulled pork lovers, this is your substitute for pulled pork or jerked meat of any kind. It's the jackfruit. Show them what a jackfruit looks like, please. You probably remember Mutiny on the Bounty. Well, they were headed to Tahiti to get jackfruit's cousin, the breadfruit. And the British government had found out that it would provide cheap protein for their military. And vegans are discovering that it's loaded with protein and is delicious, especially when you add barbecue sauce. Yum! Jackfruit is basically a breadfruit. The difference is that they say breadfruit actually tastes a lot like bread, thus the name. Man, you can't tell the difference from a delicious pulled pork sandwich. It is yummy. Let's face it, folks, when you're eating a pulled pork sandwich, what you're really tasting and enjoying is the barbecue sauce and the onions. This has much the same texture as pulled pork, and it's very juicy in your mouth. Here we've got a couple nice plant-based onion buns. I'm going to show you the magic 15-second steamer for the buns. "15 seconds from now, we're going to be very happy." Ooh, that's okay. Wouldn't be a barbecue without some burned edges. And since we're onion freaks, why not have some sliced red onions on the bun as well? Okay, hold it. A little shout out to Lucy and Ollie of Suspiracy. Remember to recycle. Here's the onion that we use for the jackfruit. Here's the bag from the buns. Perfect recycling job. One less dead sea turtle. Ooh, those are nice and warm, like fresh baked. Gotta add a little fresh barbecue sauce, extra decadent. Yum. Oh, I'm vegan, eating pulled pork, loving life. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Go vegan.